Alright, what's up everyone? Welcome back for another video. Thanks for joining me. If you're not subscribed, go hit that subscribe button and I guess the alert bell. If you're already subscribed, you're awesome. So today, if you saw last video, I will link it up here. It is the off-roading video and I'll probably play a clip too. I backed into a tree. I'm an idiot. My fault. Totally unavoidable. Totally avoidable. Totally my fault. Shit happens. So anyway, gonna try to fix this. Well, some of it. I will go around, show you the damage right now. This looks like it should buff out. This. Obviously, the taillight's not going to buff out because it's cracked. What else we got? Like all these marks. From what I noticed, it looks like they're all going to come off. I don't know if any are actual scratches, but there was a lot. There is a lot of that. Now, if you see, there's some scratches. Taillight is busted. Not that much of a big deal to me. And it's dented in on the side, the fender. The fender flare is a little scratched too. We'll see about that one. Now the taillights, I was already planning on buying new taillights. I have some LED versions out. I was already planning on buying them. I was gonna buy them a couple weeks ago actually. And now I'm happy I didn't because I would have cracked that. So anyway. The main thing we're going to try to do, we're going to try to pull this dent, the majority of the dent out, and then we're going to try to buff the paint. So I'm going to try a suction cup method. So this is my GoPro, well, GoPro mount thing. Got a suction cup on that, and a plunger. I know what you're thinking, that's disgusting. This plunger, we use only for sinks in the house. This is not a toilet plunger, so don't worry about that, because that is disgusting. Let's try to pull this thing out. I don't know if it's ever happened to you guys where it was completely your fault. It was 100% avoidable. It stings more. Still a little bit right there and right there, but not too bad. Alright, so, not bad. Hopefully, I didn't get a chance to look at the time lapse yet, but hopefully the time lapse shows, well, hopefully the footage shows it, the majority of it getting pulled out. There are a couple spots that are low, dented in a little bit. I'm probably gonna see if I could find a paintless dent repair guy that could come one day while I'm at work. I'll leave the truck home and see if he'll be able to pull those out. I do know those guys are very talented at what they do, so if I find the right person, he should be able to get those out and not even, it'll look like there was nothing even there. And then new tail lights. And I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that fender flare yet. Probably going to leave it like that for a little bit. So, thank you for joining me on this super quick video. It was more, well, I was going to do that anyway, and I figured let me try to film this, see how it comes out, because if it comes out good, it's going to make a good video. I don't know what I'm really doing. I had one of my friends suggested use the GoPro mount, a suction cup to try to pull it out. I decided let me use something bigger, so I went with a plunger. Obviously heat up the area just to make it softer, I guess, and just yank. It seemed to work. I'm sure on different types of panels it would work even better. I have seen stuff with like on Instagram with like bumpers, people pour like hot water on it and then use a suction cup and it pulls it out perfect. This worked pretty good. Unless you're looking for it, you don't even know it's there at this point. So, of course I know it's there, so I'm gonna see it all the time. Whatever, we'll see. Paintless dent repair guy, hopefully I could get one to come through, fix that. But thank you for joining me on this quick video. Hopefully next time I use my mirrors instead of backing up using the camera, especially when you're on a tight trail. I guess it could have been worse. Thanks for joining me. Comment, subscribe. If you know any paintless dent repair guys in the Northeast, mainly New York area, leave them down in the comments below, and I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks for joining me, and all that stuff that I just said before, off-road stuff. Here's your mirrors. Peace.